What's up, y'all? Marco here from Public Square Coffee, head of coffee operations, as well as co-head roaster here. I'm here to teach you how to brew on our flower dripper today. The reason we choose the flower dripper, it's a good combination of the Kalito Wave and the V60, and we like it a lot because of its full bodiness and still kind of accentuating those floral and fruity notes that we like in our coffee. So let's get into it. All right, today we are brewing our Peru Yanatile coffee. So first off, we're gonna start by saturating our filter. We don't want to use too much water, but enough to heat up our equipment as well as fully saturate that filter. So once that's done draining out, we're going to go ahead and dump our excess water away. Just like that. And now we're ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and dose. We're using 20 grams of coffee today. And we're going to go ahead and even out our bed, just to assure even extraction. After we tear it, we're gonna begin our first pour. So we're gonna do a 50-gram pour to start. And once we hit 50 grams, we're gonna go ahead and take our paddle. We're gonna agitate really well. We wanna make sure that we are hitting all of our dry grounds, as well as staying away from the edge of the bed. So now at our 30-second marker, we're gonna go ahead and do our second pour to 100 grams using our Melodrip. The reason we use the Melodrip is so it's just another step to ensure proper extraction, even extraction, as well as to not agitate the bed and disrupt the brewing process. So once we hit 100 grams, we're gonna go ahead and wait until we hit our minute and 30-second mark. So at our minute and 30-second mark, we're gonna go ahead and pour once again for another 50 grams. While you're pouring into the Melodrip, make sure that you are also rotating your Melodrip so we are hitting every part of the bed. Now we'll start our next pour until we hit 200 grams water, still continuing that even pour with the Melodrip. And once we hit that 2-minute marker, we're gonna go ahead and finish our pour, reaching 320 grams total. And when we're done with our pour, we wanna make sure that you go ahead and tap your bed just very lightly downwards. Make sure there's no more bubbles stuck in there. And wait for it to drain. All right. And as our pour finishes up, we are looking for a nice, even, flat bed, hopefully no muddiness, and we will dispose of this. And now, we are ready to enjoy a nice Peru Yanatile with some blackberry jam notes, as well as some Earl Grey London fog, and just a slight hint of plum.